Answer Coaching Classes YouTube channel. Student, today we take the next question of the problem set first of math. First, the chapter is linear equations in two variables. Now the next questions, which is the reducible examples in these questions. Now we take the first question, question number 6. Let's see the first question. Question 6 is solve the following simultaneous equations. Now here is first one is 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y is equals to 1 upon 6, and second equation is 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 0. Now first, for solving this, I have taken solution. First, this equation 2 by x upon 2 upon 3y is equals to 1 upon 6. Let this equation number first. Second one is 3 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 0. Equation number second. Student, for this is substitution methods we have to use here. So substituting the value of 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So here I have to write substituting A for 1 upon x and B for 1 upon y. We get. Now we write this equation then such a way that this is 2 into 1 upon x, means that 2a, plus this is 2 upon 3 into 1 upon y, means we write here 2 upon 3 into b is equals to 1 upon 6. This is equation number, suppose that 3. Then this equation second becomes 3 into 1 upon x, means that 3a, plus 2 into 1 upon y means 2y, 2b is equals to, here is 0. This is equation number, suppose 4. Now here I want to remove this 6 and 3. So LCM of this third equation becomes 6. I have to multiply by this equation third by 6. We get. So here write multiply equation third by 6. We get. I have to directly write this equation by multiplying this equation number third by 6. We get 2 into 6 becomes 12a plus, look here, 6 into 2 upon 3. 3 2s are 6, means that 2 into 2 is 4b. Here is 6 get cancelled, is equals to 1. Let this is equation number 5. Observe equation 4 and 5. If you multiply this equation by 2, we have the value is 4b, and we have to solve this new equation and this equation. So again I have to write here multiply equation 4 by 2, we get. I have directly write this by multiplying it by 2. Then it becomes 6a plus 4b is equals to 0. Let this is equation number 6. Then observe carefully 5 and 6. If you have to subtract these two equations, we get the value of a. So here write subtracting equation 5th and 6th. Now we get, first I have to write here 5th, 12a plus 4b is equals to 1. This is equation number 5. And next one is 6 is 6a plus 4b is equals to 0. Equation number 6. Student, when we subtract it, then the signs of the second equations will change. So the sign of this plus convert as minus, this plus convert as minus, and 0 having no sign. Now then observe carefully, this 4b get cancelled. So we have to take subtraction of it is 6a is equals to 1 minus 0 becomes 1. Then a is equals to 1 upon 6. Then substitute this value of a is 1 upon 6 in any equation third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Which one is simple? Take any one of them. Suppose I have taken here equation number 4. So substituting A is equals to 1 upon 6 in equation 4. Now the equation 4 is 3a plus 2b is equals to 0. Put the value of a is 1 upon 6. 3 into 1 upon 6 plus 2b is equals to 0. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Means that I will write 2b is equals to this 1 upon 2. Directly transpose here minus 1 upon 2. Can you understand this transposition? Here is plus 1 upon 2. Transpose convert as minus. I have not write the 0. So then this 2 again goes to denominator. Therefore 2b is equals to b is equals to minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. Then this product becomes the value of b is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Now student, we have to find a and b here. Again you have to resubstitute these values of a and b because we have to take here a for 1 upon x and b for 1 upon y. So here write resubstituting the value of a and b we have. Therefore the way a is 1 upon x is equals to a and 1 upon y is equals to b. Now the value of a is 1 upon 6. We substitute here 1 upon x is equals to 1 upon 6 and value of b is minus 1 upon 4. Then take its cross product 1 into 6 and 1 into x. So first I have taken here x is equals to 6 1 is 6 and here is y into this and 1 into 4 means I have directed y is equals to minus 4. Therefore this value x is equal to 6 and y is equals to minus 4, which is satisfy the given equation. So that this is the solution of the given equation. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Therefore x is equals to 6 comma y is equals to minus 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Student, can you understand the first question? Okay, then we see the next second question. Let's discuss about the next question, which is important question. Look carefully. Question second. 7 upon 2x plus 1, 13 upon y plus 2 is equals to 27. Second, 13 upon 2x plus 1 plus 7 upon y plus 2 is equals to 33. Student, observe carefully. Here is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 2. Mean that 1 upon these values are same. So we have to substitute these values for any another variable. Okay, so right here, first solution. The equation first I have write here 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon y plus 2 is equals to 27. This is equation number first. Second one is 13 upon 2x plus 1 plus 7 upon y plus 2 is equals to 33. This is equation number second. Okay student, then substituting. A for 1 upon 2x plus 1 and b for 1 upon y plus 2. We get these two examples as A यासाठी टाकला आपण 1 upon 2x plus 1 साठी आणि b टाकतोय आपण 1 upon y plus 2 साठी. Now then this equation first and second we reduce as this is 7 upon this value means that this is 7a plus this is 13 upon y plus 2 means that plus 13b is equals to 27. Let this is equation number third. Then we have to reduce by substituting this. We get that 13 into a plus 7 into b is equals to 33. This is equation number 4. Student, observe equation number 3rd and 4. Now here the coefficient of a is 7. In the next equation, this is the coefficient of b, and here the coefficient of the b in the first equation, in the third equation, is equal to the coefficient of a in the fourth equation. Means that cross coefficients are same. At that time, we know that we have to adding first and then subtracting these two equations. We get new two equations. We can solve it, simplify. Now then I have to write here adding equation third and fourth. Now equation third is 7a plus 13b is equals to 27. Equation number third. Then fourth is 13a plus 7b is equals to 33. This is equation number 4. Student, when we adding it, there is no change in the sign. So that 7 plus 13 becomes 20 plus this also 20b is equals to this is 60. Now we can divide it by 20. So dividing both side by 20, then we get. Now when we divide it by 20, म्हणजे 20 ने जर भाग जर दिला तर इक्वेशन काय मिळालं बघा, a plus b is equals to 3. This is the next number of equation. Suppose that 5. Then subtracting equation third and fourth. Subtract equation third and fourth. Now equation third again 7a plus 13b is equals to 27. Equation third. Then fourth is 13a plus 7b is equals to 33. Equation number 4. Student, we have to subtract it. All of you know that when we subtract the equation, then the signs of second equations will changes. This plus convert as minus, this plus minus, this plus again minus. Then what is the subtraction? Now 13 minus 7 we have to subtract it. This value becomes 3 and this 3 becomes 6a, means that minus 6a. Then this also plus 6b. This also minus 6. Now always use the sign of the bigger number here. Then dividing both sides by minus 6 or 6. Anyway, so here I have write dividing both sides by minus 6 we get. वजा 6 ने मी डायरेक्टली डिवाइड करतो. When we divide it by minus 6, then minus minus convert as plus, so that a here is minus b is equals to minus minus again converted as plus, so this is 1. So that this is the next equation. Suppose that equation number 6. Observe equation 5 and 6. Here is b having plus sign, here is b having minus sign. Then if you are adding these two, we get the value of one variable. So that here write adding equation 5 and 6. The equation 5 is a plus b is equals to 3, and equation 6 is a minus b is equals to 1. This is 6. Now when we adding it, this b variable get cancelled. Addition becomes twice a is equals to 4. Then a is equals to 4 upon 2. Therefore a is equals to 4 upon 2 is equals to how much? 2. Therefore the value of a is 2. Then we substitute this value of a in equation 5 or 6. So substituting a is equals to 2 in equation 5th. The equation number 5th is a plus b is equals to 3. Then substitute here 2 plus b is equals to 3. Therefore b is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. The value of b is 1. Then a is 2 and b is 1. Now we have to resubstitute this value into this, because a for 1 upon twice x plus 1 for 1 upon y plus 2. So I have to write here resubstituting a for 1 upon resubstituting the values of a and b. Therefore here 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equals to a and 1 upon y plus 2 is equals to b. We substitute this value, we get 1 upon 2x plus 1 is equals to a is 2 and 1 upon y plus 2 is equals to b. B is how much? 1. Then by cross multiplication I have to take the denominator as 1 suppose. Then 2 into this and 1 into 1. So 2 into this becomes 4x plus 2 is equals to 1 1 1. And this value becomes by cross multiplication y plus 2 is equals to 1. Transpose this to this another side, we get that 4x is equals to 1 minus 2 and y is equals to 1 minus also 2. Then this value becomes, therefore x is equals to, I have to directly take this 4 goes to denominator, the subtraction becomes minus 1 upon this 4. Also here we write here minus 1, then which is simple here. Okay, then y is equals to how much? Minus 1. Now therefore x is equals to minus 1 upon 4 and y is equals to minus 1, which is satisfy the given equation. So that this is the solution of the given equation. Hence the answer in full sentence is answer x is equals to minus 1 upon 4 comma y is equals to minus 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Can you understand, student? Then we see the next question. Okay, let's take next question. Now this is the different one. Now observe carefully this question. 148 upon x plus 231 upon y is equals to 527 upon xy. Look here, xy. Here is 231 upon x plus 148 upon y is equal to 610 upon xy. Means that we want to remove this denominator first. Now for the LCM of this 3 is also xy and this is also xy. So we can multiply by both equation xy, then this get cancelled. We have to get simple equations. Now then how to solve? Let's see here. Solution. Now here is first equation is 148 upon x plus 231 upon y is equals to 527 upon xy. This is our first equation. Second one is 231 upon x plus 148 upon y is equals to 610 upon xy. This is equation number second. Now student, when we multiply both this equation by xy as a LCM, then these denominators get cancelled. So I have to write here multiplying equation first and second by xy we get. Now I have to directly write the equation by multiplying by x and y. When we multiply this equation by xy, then this x get cancelled. Means that first equation reduced as 148y. Here is multiplying by xy, y get cancelled. Means that here is 231x plus here is xy and xy get cancelled. Means that 527. So that this is suppose equation number 3. Can you understand this? Then next step is also you have to multiply this equation second by xy each term, so that x get cancelled. Means that first one is 231y. Here is y and xy मतलब y cancel झाला म्हणजेच काय राहिलं 148x is equals to इथे सुद्धा xy आणि xy cancel होतील म्हणजेच किती झाले 610. Suppose that this is question number 4. Now observe carefully. Here is the cross coefficients are same. If cross coefficients are same, then all of you know that we have to adding and subtracting these equations. So first we have to adding these equations. So write here adding equation third and fourth. Now the equation third is 148y plus 231x is equals to 527. Equation number third. Then next one is 231y plus 148x is equals to 610. This is equation number 4. Student, when we adding it, there is no change in the sign of the second equation. So that addition becomes 8 plus 1 is 9, then 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 2 is 3, y. Plus this also 8 plus 1 9, 7 and 3, x is equals to 7, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5 plus 6 is 11. Now student, when we observe carefully, we can divide this equation by 379, because if you have to multiply by 3 to this 379, we get 1137, because the last number, look here, 3 into 9 becomes 27, and this is nearly equal to 3 times here. Now so I have to divide this number by 379. So right here dividing both sides by 379 we get. Now when we divide it, we write here y plus x. X is equals to how much? 3. This is equation number 5. Then second step is subtracting. So that subtracting equation third and fourth. The equation third is 148y plus 231x is equals to 527. Equation number third. Then the fourth one is 231y plus 148x is equals to 610. This is equation number 4. Student, when we subtract it, then the signs of the second equations will changes. So this plus convert as minus, this plus convert as minus, this plus also minus. Now we have to subtract 148 from 231. I have to take its calculation here. 231 minus 148. Student, the subtraction becomes, we cannot subtract it, so take carry here, so it becomes 11. 11 minus 8 becomes 3. Here is 2, mean that here again we can take 1, mean that 12 minus 4 becomes 8. 1 minus 1 is 0, mean that 83y. But the bigger number is 231, sign is minus, so that minus 83y. Then also 231 and 148 same, so that the subtraction is also 83x. But here is bigger number 231, so gives the sign plus. Also the subtraction of this one 610 minus 527. Okay, we cannot subtract, so take carry from here. Here it becomes 0, but here is 10. 10 minus 7 becomes 3. Here is carry from here. Here is 5. Here it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 becomes 8, and 5 minus 5 becomes 0. So that here is equals to also 83. Now student, here is the bigger number is 610, so the sign is minus. Now observe carefully, we can simplify by using 83. So here dividing both sides by 83 we get. 83 ने जर divide केलं तर काय मिळालं बघा, minus y plus x is equals to minus 1. Student, we can also changing their sign. So I have to write here y minus x is equals to 1. Let this is 6 number equation. Can you understand this? Then observe carefully equation 5 and 6. X is plus, here is x is minus. If you have to adding it, so I have to write here adding equation 5th and 6th we have. Now we take this addition here. Fifth one is y plus x is equals to 3. Equation number 6. When we adding it, x get cancel. Y plus y becomes 2y is equals to addition becomes 4. Therefore, y is equals to 4 upon 2, means that the value of y is 2. Now, we substitute this value in any equation, 5 or 6. So that in 5, substitute y is equals to 2 in equation. The equation 5 is y plus x is equals to 3. Then substitute the value of y is 2 plus x is equals to 3. These 2 transpose to this another side. Therefore, x is equals to 3 minus 2. Therefore, the value of x is equals to how much? 1. Now, mean that the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equals to 2, which is the satisfy the given equation. So that this is the solution of that given equation. So write the answer in full sentence. Answer. Therefore, first write x values. X is equals to 1, comma y is equals to 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Can you understand this question? Okay, this is very important question. Let's see the next question. Okay student, let's discuss next question. Student, the question number 4 is same as the question number 3rd. So I have take here directly last question. If you any problem, then you can ask. Okay, then we take the last question of the question number 6, having some question 5, 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus 4y plus 1 upon 5 in bracket 2x minus 3y is equals to 1 upon 4, comma. Second one is 5 upon 3x plus 4y minus 2 upon 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Now student, the solution of these equations are, here is solution. I have write the equations here. First one is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus 4y plus here is 1 upon 5 in bracket 2x minus 3y is equals to 1 upon 4. Suppose that this is our equation number first. Second one is 5 upon 3x plus 4y minus 2 upon 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 3 upon 2. This is equation number 2. Student, when we observe here, here is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y. Here is 1 upon 2x minus 3y, here is 1 upon 2x minus 3y. We have to substitute these values, any other variable. Suppose I have to substituting a for 1 upon 3x plus 4y and b for 1 upon 2x minus 3y we get. Now I have to directly write this equation first and second in the reducible form. When we substituting this value for a, this value for b, we take another variable also rather than x and y, then p, q, etc. Okay, we have to substitute here. Then this equation first reduce as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon this becomes how much? A, means that 1 upon 2a plus this becomes 1 upon 5b is equals to 1 upon 4. Let this equation number 3rd. And this equation second becomes 5 into 1 upon this means that 5a minus 2 into 1 upon 2x minus 3y means that 2b is equals to minus 3 upon 2. This is equation number 4. Student, we want to remove their denominators of both equations. So, I have to multiply this equation by the LCM of 2, 5 and 4 becomes 20. And here for this equation by 2. And directly I have to write the new equations here. So, I have to write multiply equation 3rd by 20 and equation 4 means 20 into 1 upon 4 means that 5. This is equation number, suppose that 5th. And when we multiply by it by 2, we get that 10a. This is minus 4b is equals to these two get cancel, means that 2 get cancel means that 3. This is equation number 6. Student, observe equation 5 and 6. This is the plus 4b and this is minus 4b. If you have to adding it, these two get cancelled. So I have to write here adding equations 5 and 6. The equation 5 is 10a plus 4b is equals to 5. Equation number 5. And equation 6 is 10a minus 4b is equals to minus 3. This is equation number 6. When we are adding it, we get the addition 4b get cancelled. This is 20a is equals to, subtraction becomes 2. Therefore a is equals to 2 upon 20, means that the value of a is 1 upon 10. Therefore I have write here a is 1 upon 10. Now we substitute this value of a in any equation, question number 5 and equation number 6. यापैकी दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही एका टाका, आपण 5 मध्ये टाकूया. So substituting a is equals to 1 upon 10 in equation 5. The equation 5 is 10a plus 4b is equals to 5. This is equation number 5. Now we substitute the value of a, means that 10 into 1 upon 10 plus 4b is equals to how much? 5. This 10 get cancel, means that 1 plus 4b is equals to 5. Then transpose this one to this another side, so that 4b is equals to 5 minus 1. Therefore 4b is equals to 4, means that b is equals to 4 upon 4 is equals to 1. Here I have write b is equals to how much? 1. Means that a is equals to 1 upon 10 and b is equals to 1. We have to use this, the value of a and b, to substituting the value of a and b here. So I have to write here resubstituting the value of a and b. We get the value of a is 1 upon 10 and b is 1. Here we substitute this value for this equation, means that 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equals to a, and 1 upon 2x minus 3y is equals to b. We have to substitute the value of a and b. A is 1 upon 10, so that here is 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equals to 1 upon 10, and next one is 1 upon 2x minus 3y is equals to value of b is 1. Then by cross multiplication we get new equations. 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the equation number as 7. And another one is by cross multiplication we get 2x minus 3y is equals to 1. This is equation number 8. Now again observe equation 7 and 8. If you have to multiply this equation by 3, we get 12y. Here is 4, we get 12y. So I have to write here multiplying equation 7 by 3 and equation 8 by 4 we get. Okay, I have to directly write this one. When we multiply it by 3, it becomes 9x plus 12y is equals to 30. Let this is equation number 9. Then when we multiply it by 4, then 8x minus 12y is equals to how much? 4. this is suppose equation number 10. Student, I have taken its addition here directly. Okay, so adding here I have to write the reason. Adding equation 9 and 10, we have, when we adding it, there is no change of the sign. So 9 plus 8 becomes 17x. This 12 by get cancel and the addition becomes 34. Now we divide this 34 to this. We divide 34 by 17. Therefore x is equals to 34 upon 17. The answer of x is equals to 2. Okay, we substitute this value of x into equation 7, 8, 9 or 10. So I have to put this value of the x is equal to in equation number 7. So substituting x is equals to in equation number 7. Now the equation number 7 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. I have to directly substitute the value of x is here. So that 3 into 2 plus 4y is equals to 10. 3 to the 6. I have to transpose this again to this side. 4y is equals to 10 minus 6 is equals to how much? 4. Again 4y is equals to 4. Here I have to write this one is y is equals to 4 upon 4 is equals to how much? 1. Mean that the value of x is equals to 2, comma y is equals to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Student, thank you for watching the videos of the question number 6 of problem set first of math first. Thank you very much.